Hello, welcome to Selective class. This is STEM advancements in STEM production, STEM education. During the vacation, I had the opportunity to engage in enhancing STEM education in America, and I'm very pleased to present to you some of the program for summer bridge program. So on my screen now, you can see Foundation Academy 4 weeks summer program, and it's involved hands-on creativity, engineering, innovation for grade 6 to 9. It's done during this time. This is what happened. Now we shall go through what happened, what we did in the summer break program. Now in the summer break program overview, the program is a 4 weeks program where we give induction course. So beginning we give training to grade 6 to 9 students. Most of you are grade 8 to 9 students who will be going to high school in next academic year in coming September. So we come together to bridge the gap between their learning and what their expectation in high school. So the program consists about 6 to 7 courses, and we engage them in more of the STEMs. That is where I display my STEM talent a lot in the school. It was very amazing. So the emphasis is on creativity, problem solving, and real world application. Students were very amazing students, very nice students. Now, so this is me, and this is the program lineup. It's a 4 weeks program. The first week we did lab safety principle, rate of change, experimentation to the rate of change, where we did experiments for temperature, collision. We plot a graph and we connect everything to scientific experimentation. You can see from a very well poster here. This is the week 1. This is what we do, and the students were engaged in a lab activity, and we measure, we determine graph, we plotted the graph, we plotted the graph, we measure scopes, distances, and other aspects. So we're engaged in this activity to give them a first-hand experience, preparing them to robust or well-grounded in STEM, science, technology, mathematics, engineering for high school level. This is what we did, and it was very amazing. Lesson start from 8:30 to 3 o'clock. It was very good lesson. Now day 2, week two, we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and we explore relationship between DNA. Students constructed 3D models of DNA where we use hands-on material. We use Candid, a lot of Candid, to demonstrate how these DNA strands. You look at transcription and translation. We explain everything to students. It's very amazing. So we look at DNA architecture, the protein, the specialized cell, genetic. We did all this, and day we show them simulation, we show them practical material, hands-on activity. So the summer break program was actually something amazing. Student was very happy, give the hands-on experience. So they explore chemistry, they come to biology, and next week, third week, what do we do? Look at engineering and technical applications. This is what we did. So on day 3, students explore simple machines through hands-on activity using cardboard, sticks, glue, design machines. I remember my class, we design crane, design cars, design crane, car, wheelbarrow, knife. These are simple machines we use inside that make work very easy, and it is in a summer program. Students are given time to explore, to cut material, to know how this material are involved. So you can see the crane, the car materials here. We designed to give them glue, and it was very amazing. See simple machines they use, and very nice. So Monday, this is all deconstruction. We synthesize this material, then we analyze it, meaning we break them down into pieces, and we ask the student to fix them together. And Tuesday, we define a problem. We ask them to this activity, design, engineering, how to engineering solve their problem. We use these physics terms to show, to enhance or to drill then how engineering solve science problem. It's very amazing. This is what we did, and this is my poster. This is what we are trying. It is my objective is to enhance STEM education in students beyond my scope, which is America. In day 4, finally the last day, day 4, this is what we do. We focus on land conservation and environmental health. Students have the human activity, environmental lesson connected to the concept real world surrounding. Now, day 5, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. See, the program designed so that students explore chemistry, physics, biology, and life science, so that when they go to high school, they are going to look at their skills. It give them their interest area where they'll be good in all these aspects. They tested all the subjects. So they go to high school, they will not lack any of these subjects. So we call it summer bridge, which is to bridge the gap between known and unknown, simple and complex. And this is what we do, and to busy the student, to give them first-hand experience in the STEM education. So it's a very fantastic and award-winning program. It's a 4-week vibrant program, and this is what happened. So this is the last day, and what happened after this? So after that, also a celebration of final day where students were engaged in. This is the after recreational activity, we do a pizza party. So we went to recreational center after a day where we were swimming, basketball, playing other outdoors activity where students have realization and social interaction with people to play joy. So the summer bridge program integrated all round all aspects of the student: physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, and advisory. You give them all what they need to become a complete human being, complete student when they move to high school. This is a very good program for students, and I recommend this summer bridge program for everybody to engage in. I hope to see you there next year. So in that much I do, this is what we have last minute. Congratulations to all the students who engaged in my summer bridge program. Students became highly engaged when they touch, they build, investigate, they ask questions. So the engineering activity revealed remarkable creativity, imagination of students. Is what we did. Students combine mathematics, artistic expression, scientific reasoning, and engineering principles. Lastly, I'll confess that this what actually students take home is hands-on learning, creativity, opportunity for students to discover ability that may remain hidden in traditional instruction. This is what we did in the summer program, and it was very engaging, entertaining, and we always meet for 4 days, and the 5th day, the next day, we meet and we embark on teaching and learning activity. Thank you so much for watching. So in a nutshell, we say the power of hands-on STEM learning. When you allow students to explore, you don't just teach them science, you allow them to discover what they are capable of creating. So this is Selective STEM production, educating the mind, shaping the future. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. All the best. See you in my next episode. Thank you. Bye-bye.